it's right to be wrong. So whatever you do, it's really right, even though they might even think that I'm doing wrong now. So experimenting is the best when you don't have any borders. Here we came to have a workshop which was called Interaction with Light and Space. And it was about getting to know little, like 6 principles of lighting design and the layered design of lighting, building a little box which we call shoebox, and making openings, and then start experimenting with different lights.
We heard that and understood that you are going to have a very busy week here when we come here, so we didn't want to take too much time from the students. So we created this workshop with just like for a couple of hours. And yesterday we started, and we didn't have much time to work with them, but maybe they were a little bit confused what was going to happen. We didn't tell too much to how would everything happen today. And today when we started, we expected them to have the shoebox ready, but they were not. So we were a little bit worried about how we're going to have things done, but everything went really well, and they got the idea by experimenting, really, because the only way you can do this workshop is by experiencing and trying different things, and then when you get a nice scene in the box, then you know that this is it, and you want to make a shoot and take a photo.
They were ideating yesterday and writing down like little stories what they could light, and how they would how each student experiences excitement or rhythmic plays or the playfulness. And they had very good ideas about changing the shapes or repeating something and getting those things out with the light, only with the light, because the boxes were white.
They are very polite, and they are very, very friendly. They listen carefully, and they want to do what they think they are expected to do, I think. So in this workshop, where we didn't give exact task, we just encouraged them to play, we thought that it could be different for them, and as they told us, it was different for them. They were maybe not used to this kind of working.